Fine, guys. Okay, so thanks for joining. So I welcome once again to our online SAP SuccessFactors training. So before starting this session, so demonstration session. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Sandeep, and I'm having around 13 plus years of experience in SAP HR as well as SuccessFactors. Currently working for one of the top MNC company, and I work for US, UK, Malaysia, Singapore, and a couple of Middle East countries. Okay. So I used to give the corporate trainings for the companies like Accenture, CTS, and Alstom and Capgemini, all these companies, guys. Okay, so this is about my profile. Okay, in short. So today, what we are going to do is, as part of the SuccessFactors demonstration, I'm going to explain you what do you mean by SuccessFactors and how the market is and who can do this course. Actually, people are thinking that to do this course, SAP HCM is a mandatory. Okay, so likewise, okay, so all of your doubts I'm going to clarify. So let us start the session.